Let us see how instructions are executed within the processor. What is the whole process? So for the instruction to be executed, it has to be first fetched from the memory. To fetch it from the memory, the address from the program counter will be taken and put on the address bus via the memory address register. At the same time, the program counter will be incremented to point to the next instruction. The instruction from the memory will be brought through the data bus and placed into the instruction register where it will be decoded and the operation that is to be performed will be determined. Also, the source operands will be read. So these could be the register contents or the immediate value which is present in the instruction. Depending upon the operation, that particular operation will be performed. So if it is an arithmetic or logical operation, that will be performed. If the instruction was a load or a store instruction, then the effective address will be computed. Then if a memory access is required for a load or a store operation, that has to be taken care of. Finally, the results have to be written in the destination register. Let us take an example of a load instruction. So this is the instruction. As you can see, the effective address, this instruction says that we have to load register R5 from the contents of this memory location. So here we can see that an indirect addressing mode is being used along with a indexed. So X has to be added to the contents of R7 to give us the effective address. So the first thing that needs to be done is to be fetch this instruction from the memory. This instruction is currently in the memory and this has to be fetched from the memory. Also, the program counter has to be incremented. So when this comes into the processor, it will be placed in the IR, in the instruction register, where it will be decoded and it will be determined that a load operation has to be performed. So what kind of an operation has to be performed will be determined from the opcode. So the opcode says that a load operation has to be performed and the source operands are R7 and X. So register R7 will be read, these contents will be read and taken to the ALU. The immediate value X will also be taken to the ALU where they will be added up to determine the effective address. Using this address, this will be placed on the address bus and now this new memory location will be accessed. The data at this memory location will be brought through the data bus into the memory data register in the processor and this data will be written in the destination register R5. So I hope this instruction execution steps are clear to you and we will discuss these in further lessons.